Remitly versus Wise online banking account, which is better? Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be comparing Wise and Remitly. I'll cover everything you need to know from the basics to transactional fees, exchange rates, customer satisfaction, and much more, so that by the end of this video, you can decide which platform to go for. Now, if you want to follow along this video and create a Wise account for free, click the link provided in the description box down below to get started. Now, what exactly is Wise and what is Remitly? What do these platforms have that overlaps and what separates these? Well, the first thing is that Remitly was founded in 2011 in Seattle, US. It has a 3 million customer base and facilitates transfers from 17 countries to over 50 other nations worldwide. Remitly recipients can have their funds deposited directly into their bank accounts, sent to a cash pickup location, or deposited into a mobile wallet, or even delivered to their home. However, Wise is a FCA-approved money transfer service also launched in 2011. Wise has served over 8 million customers and processes and transferred over 4 billion euros monthly. So both of these platforms are pretty different in the nature of the platform and what kind of previous history that they have. Now, for a lot of people, that really doesn't matter. People are focusing more on platform fees, exchange rates, and transactional fees. Well, let's move on to transactional fees. For Remitly, transfer fees depend on the amount being sent. For example, money in the Philippines, you'll be charged $3.99 for express instant delivery. However, there are no fees for economy delivery, which is delivery in 3 to 5 business days. Now, if you send more than $500 using your bank account, there are no fees. However, Wise has some benefits. Wise offers the exact mid-market exchange rate at a very small fee for each transfer. The fee also varies depending on location as well. So both of these platforms have a variable fee structure. Now, one platform over the other in terms of exchange rate is something that you might pick. Well, Remitly adds a margin of 0.5% to 3% above the mid-market, depending on the pairing of your currencies. Your transfer cost will be dependent on the currencies involved. However, Wise takes a different approach. Now, Wise takes a different angle in the fact that Wise converts currency at the mid-market rate. So what you see on Google or online is what you get, and Wise will guarantee you that. So if I take USD over here and I take Australian dollars over here and I want to transfer 10 USD into Australian dollar, this will be our debit card fee, credit card fee, all of the different payment methods I can opt for, and then you will see the actual conversion that you are getting. So in this way, you have more control over the rate that you're getting. You also have more control over the transactional fees that you will be paying as well. Now, and Wise will guarantee that you and the recipient will receive the money even if the exchange rate has changed by the time the money has been received. So once you process your transaction and it has been finalized by you, that is the exchange rate that will be finalized by you. Now, Remitly users can transfer money from 17 countries and send money to over 50 other countries. However, Wise allows you to send money to and from 65 countries, and in this case, Wise wins in terms of exchange rates and the number of locations and currencies available. Now, which platform would be easier to send money if you want to send it instantaneously? So with swap of my finger, if I want my money to be transferred, well, if we take a look at Remitly, it has 2 transfer options. The economy version, which is slower and can take up to 3 to 5 days to deliver a transfer, and the express version, which usually takes only a few minutes to arrive. Now, Wise can take anywhere between minutes to days, highly depending on how you choose to transfer your money and the bank processing speed of the recipient as well. On Wise, it takes longer to process transfers through the bank than using a debit or credit card. On both platforms, you'll need to pay an extra fee for a faster delivery. However, with Wise, you do have more control over the type of transfer you want, and thus you can actually speed up your time. Now, which platform offers more transfer and payment options? Well, Remitly accepts both bank transfers and card payments. Other payout options include cash pickup, bank deposit, mobile wallets, and home delivery. Wise users can pay their transfers using bank accounts, card payments, Android Pay, and even Apple Pay. On Wise, payout is done through the bank, but in some countries, deposits on mobile wallets are also available. Now, what if we take a look at customer satisfaction? Remitly has over 40,000 reviews on Trustpilot with an average score of 4.1. Now, some of the positive reviews that I read include features about their transfers are being available in a few minutes, reliable mobile applications, and affordable transfer fees. However, some people on the negative reviews have also said that they have faced delays up to 4 to 5 days, and their customer support and ticket resolutions are pretty delayed, which is slightly alarming because that can be a very difficult situation to be in when your money is tied up. Now, this is based on 40,000 reviews. Let's take a look at Wise and the Trustpilot reviews that we are going to receive over here. So Wise has almost 200,000 reviews with a 4.2 score currently on Trustpilot. The positive reviews include their exchange rates, transparent pricing, and how easy to use it is. Now, some of the negative reviews include account closures, and sometimes Wise conducts multiple checks that can delay the delivery times. And these are told to you, so you're going to be able to see it on your Wise application. However, a delay would still be a delay. Now, Wise wins in terms of customer satisfaction because of the high quality reviews that we can see on Trustpilot, and the review responses are also larger in number. So you can see this is a more generalized viewership of Wise, that it is a slightly overperforming platform as compared to Remitly. Now, which is easier to use? Because for some people, they just want ease of use. Well, Remitly is available in 11 different languages: English, French, Spanish, Vietnamese, German, Polish, Romanian, Italian, Turkish, and Chinese and Korean. Now, Remitly is available 24/7 for chat and phone support, as well as they have a free downloadable app on the App Store and Play Store. In terms of security, Remitly uses the Secure Socket Layer SSL complete with the 256-bit encryption to protect its servers. Now, there's also a two-factor authentication system to protect customer accounts. Now, in comparison, Wise is available in 12 different languages as well, including English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, Turkish, Romanian, Portuguese, Japanese, Russian, Polish, and Hungarian. Wise users can get support through email and telephone, and the Wise app is free on both the App Store and the Play Store. Wise also accepts bank transfers, card payments, Android Pay, and Apple Pay, and they also use Transport Layer Security, which is TLS, and runs regular security scans, including an external penetration test, and it also has a two-factor authentication system. So in terms of security, both platforms are super secure and have high accessibility, so I would give them both a thumbs up. Now, in terms of some of the additional features that you can get on these platforms, is Remitly focuses solely on money transfer functions. However, Wise focuses on other features rather than money transfers, such as a rainy day fund that you can create, multi-currency accounts where users are allowed to make different currency accounts that support over 50 currency wallets. Wise has a free physical card just like your normal ATM for making payments and withdrawals, and you can set up your regular transfers on Wise to minimize errors every time you make a payment, and it will be a recurring payment. For this category of automations and additional features, Wise has a upper hand on Remitly. In conclusion, which platform is better? Well, Remitly doesn't support domestic payments, and Remitly users can send to 50 countries. However, Remitly only supports personal payments, so you can't do any business payments on Remitly. Plus, the no daily spending service, the maximum transfer limit is 10,000 per day, and it is $30,000 per month. Designed as a remittance provider. That is the function of Remitly. So these certain limitations are in place on their platform. Now, if we take a look at Wise, they support both international and domestic payments. So you can pay someone within the US as well as internationally. You can send and receive money from up to 65 countries. And Wise also has a special service for business payments. So you can make business payments on Wise as well as using your debit card. You can withdraw funds from ATMs and spend at a local and online store, as well as the fact that you can transfer funds from one wallet to another wallet in a different currency as well. Now, the maximum transfer on Wise is up to $1 million. So the limitation on Wise is very broad and you really don't feel limited at all. And it can be used for smaller transactions, but it's better to use it for a larger transaction as you would be incurring a tiny fee every time you are making a transaction. So Wise clearly is the winner today against Remitly. Remitly is a old-fashioned platform where you can make a simple transaction. However, now with all of the features that Wise has, with all of the premium features where you can send money, get the perfect midday exchange rate, and be able to receive your funds in a few minutes, Wise can easily do everything Remitly does, even better. So if you want to start sending and receiving money online, sign up on Wise for free by clicking the link in the description box down below to get started with Wise. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video.